Mr. Breznik. I was told the police time about them, couldn't find them. No, Mama. Haydi what? You can see the cars are running fast. Haydi Mama, what? Haydi beboci. Haydi Mom. What did you Marco? I'll give them more. This is the trouble one. I think I was told that there are 7, now there are only 3. So maybe we'll run over. Поточите? И маме ни поточите. И защо си сърдитко? И защо бе мамо си сърдисти? Ела тук. Айде, лати. Елате де. Маме ни ми сочи. Ела. Не сме вижда мам. Ела, айде тук. Айде, Мишенца. Айде, мамушка. They're not skinny, but where are the other 4? Айде, да се гусим. Ела, мам. Ела, бебенци. Ей, Мици, ела, мам. Ела, де. Poor things. Beboni Bomboni. One is a girl. Stunning doggy here. And this one I think is a girl. And then what? You could go back up and is he stopping, Mom? More Minister Cliff. And I have ticks as well. Nam. Run off. Bebita. The speed's supposed to be 40, but most of the cars are running with quite high speed because it's inclined. Who knows where are the other 4? Ne, mama, no pătea. Ne. I cannot stop them going there.